today. All that matters, today we're going to cool down the temperature of the scorching heat coming from the sun, because we want to avoid heat exhaustion or overheating for our dogs that may cause heat stroke. Okay, so now we will just spray water on the area where the dog is connected. I'm doing this every day, especially during the afternoon sun. This spraying of the dog's area will lower the temperature. Also, we need to change the water that our dogs need. We need to give our dog fresh water every day, fresh clean water every day. Because very hot, the water becomes hot also. We avoid giving hot water to our dog. We have a Labrador dog that requires plenty of drinking water. Good dog. As possible, use umbrella or wear a hat when you're doing this, because it's very hot outside. If I see that my dog still panting very much, I will do this again. So we can avoid the heat exhaustion. I will pour some more water because the dog drinks already. So now I'm going to sprinkle water to our dog Labrador, so her body temperature will be lowered, so she will be fresher. Okay. You love it? doing this, we will help the dog lower the body temperature. Sit, sit. Good girl. And that's our video for today. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on our next video. Bye-bye.